Now, while I have you here and we're talking about themes, I want to plug a specific theme that I love using. And full disclosure, I am an affiliate for this theme, but I have used this theme extensively even before I was affiliated with the theme at all. And that theme is called X. Now, if you want to use my affiliate link, you're free to at bradhussey.ca/X, or you could just Google the X theme, and that's what it's called. Sounds epic, and it is. The X theme. It's gorgeous, and it does everything. So I'm going to live preview this right now and just kind of show you. It gives you all the details about the X theme, and man, that's a gorgeous picture. They've updated since I've last used it, and that's cool. So they have things like stacks, extensions, cornerstone, expert, all these sort of things. And stacks, so for example, is how you can, they have built-in themes within this theme. So this theme is essentially not just a theme that looks like the dentist website or theme we just looked at. It's a theme that lets you build whatever you want. It's literally kind of a drag and drop, what you see is what you get sort of builder that creates a theme based on what you want it to be. So it looks unique and it doesn't look like any of the other sort of generic themes like this one. And so that's what's cool about it. I've built so many sites with X, and you wouldn't know it's an X theme site. And you can customize anything right down to the buttons, the typography, the size, the font size, the width, how responsive it is or isn't, colors, anything you literally want under the moon you can create with X. And I know that because I've done paid client projects with X. Extensions, they have a whole bunch of extensions that you can use. They're essentially plugins. Things like video lock, content doc, you can integrate MailChimp, Disqus comments, custom 404 error pages, Facebook comments. Oh my goodness, there's literally so much that you could play around with. Now, another thing I want to show you here is the customizer. This is where you can really customize the X theme. What we were showing you here in the customize menu right here, X has its own version, which is way more in depth, and you could literally never leave this page and fully create your entire site. That's how amazing their X theme customizer is. And so they have built-in shortcodes, different layout options that you can play around with, navigation options, and custom pages, integration, all that sort of fun stuff. Let me just show you a quick little demo. I'm just going to choose the renew main demo. Let's just see what this one looks like. Now, don't let this fool you and think, oh, I don't like how this looks. Why would I get this theme? This is one of an infinite amount of customizable options you can do. This is just showing you, button styles and, different sort of things. But I've never honestly made an X theme that looked this bad. And I'm surprised that they made it look like this. But there's a lot that you can see in these demos, pricing tables. These are quite nice. But if you wanted, you could go through these demos here and see they give you a whole bunch of different demos. Fully integrated with WooCommerce, shortcodes, BuddyPress, BBPress. And then there's other themes here. Ethos is a nice looking one. Pretty sure it's like a magazine style layout. So this one's nicer. This one's a lot nicer. Just you can use this, you could install it, and you could use it straight up as your blog, add your own logo, and then you got bam, within 15 minutes, you have a beautiful site, very low cost, and you're good to go. And so that's just like a real quick showcase of the X theme. Now, there are a whole bunch of other themes out there that you can play around with under miscellaneous, even WordPress miscellaneous. But I just wanted to show you that because I feel like it would be wrong if I didn't show you that. If you don't want to use my affiliate link, then that's totally fine. If you do use it, I greatly appreciate it. I'll get a small commission sent to me from ThemeForest, but I'm mainly showing you this not because of the commission, because I'm encouraging you to just try it even without my affiliate link, because it's going to change the way you think about generic WordPress themes. The license is $64. Again, a little bit steep, but if you're working with a client who doesn't have the budget for a fully custom WordPress site, $5 to $10 grand, depending on your rates, but they want something nice and you want to be able to build it fast, X is the way that I do it. So if they have a smaller budget, $2,500 to $5 grand, something like that, I'll go with X. And I've done that a whole bunch. It works so well for me, and I totally encourage you to try it out. So that's X.